Well, I changed my mind a little bit. Mostly because I was too lazy to wrap it. All that got painted. I haven't done the top side yet, but this got a factory rebuild. Completely freshly redone. This is, oh, that's a lawnmower. Just walked into it. That felt awesome. Oh, did I miss a spot? Oh, I missed a spot. We gotta get the rebuild kit out. Hang on. There's my rebuild kit. Is this it right here? That's it. Let's get the rebuild going. Oh, gotta do a little. Now, I would normally recommend that you use a respirator with this stuff because, well, it's really, really nasty and you don't want to breathe it in. Like, literally, I have a respirator sitting right there. So, anyway, I would have used that, but that was just a quick touch-up, and I'm not breathing. See? Brand new. Brand new, like off the assembly line. Brand new. Oh, missed a spot. Oh. Oh, I don't have a light. I don't know where I'm aiming. Ugh. God, that stuff is potent. Oh, wait. Gotta clean it. Clean it. Perfect. Alright, so, as I was saying before, freshly rebuilt 8-inch Ford. Yes, the studs have a little on there. It'll be fine. The lug nuts will still tighten on there. Don't you worry. Don't you worry. I still haven't, let's see, is that dried off? Yeah, it's dried off. We still haven't rebuilt the top side of it yet, but I was waiting for it to dry. So, anyway, it's getting late, and, well, I gotta be at work in, I don't know, just about 8 hours now, so. Oh, wait, no. I gotta be up in 7 hours. So I should probably go get some sleep. So anyway, we're done with the rebuild process for tonight. Excuse me, that's about as rebuilt as she's gonna get for tonight. We're gonna drag her on in here, close up shop. Oh, well, I made a mess. Obviously, I didn't have the floor covered the entire way, but that's all right. Anyway, so yeah, that's been factory diff rebuild with Gander's Garage.